critical for research. Viruses are critical to deliver DNA. When I worked at the medical school, we used viruses, Lambda virus, all the time. Very important means. It was one of our chief tools in genetic research, was the Lambda virus, and others. And there are viruses that treat cancer cells, infect the cancer cells. And here are some virus-related research. I don't expect you to read all that, but there are many, many examples there. And other uses, kills the bacteria. And in one way, it does that, which we're not very aware of. It facilitates rain. We didn't have viruses, wouldn't have rain because the viruses break down the bacteria, and the bacteria seeds cause rain. The broken pieces of the bacteria it breaks up cause rain. And so if we didn't have bacteria, my guess is, well, dust would do it, but on the other hand, dust doesn't tend to reach up that high. So that's one important means of producing rain, and of course rain is important if you're a farmer. And, okay. My own experience, 7 years in the medical school, most of my research I could not have done without viruses. So it's critical. And marine is mouse infecting noroviruses, and it plays a role in mouse intestinal development. So the mouse needs it to develop its intestines. And there are many examples, and I just give you a few. And mammalian viruses provide immunity against bacterial pathogens. And there are many others. The gastrointestinal tract of mammals are plush with viruses, including yours. And they provide the first line of defense against invading bacteria. The reason most of the invading bacteria don't cause a problem is because the good bacteria have filled up all the apartments. There's no room. So when the bad bacteria come in, and of course every time you eat something, you end up taking in some bad bacteria. The bad bacteria go through the system, and there's no room at the end. There's no place to stay. So they go right outside, and you excrete the pathogenic bacteria. In fact, excretion, this is why health is so important, why sewers are so important. Excretory products, the dry weight is about 50% bacteria. So in the olden days, when they would excrete into the river, you end up with massive spread of all kinds of diseases. But the Bible says what? It talked about this in my microbiology book, which is interesting. In the microbiology book, the scriptures say, when thou goest, take a shovel. And you know what that means. Okay. In case you don't know, somebody want to tell us what that means? When you go, anybody, go ahead. There you go. Okay, so if they would listen to the Bible, we could have avoided an enormous number of catastrophic events in history. And they didn't. For years, they would defecate even just on the dry ground. It would rain, and then this would end up in the water, and the water spread typhus and all kinds of diseases. So when we blame this on God, really we ought to blame this on the people who don't study their Bible. And the reason they're going into detail about where thou goest, take a shovel, is because my guess is every Israelite knew exactly what that meant. They didn't need to go into the gory details. They're trying to just tell you, now be sure and take a shovel. Okay, I know what that means. And so they did, I hope. So other uses, wasp is important. And there's one statement which summarizes this. We're just beginning to unravel the diversity of the parasitoid wasp virus associations, as well as many other associations. So viruses, they're our unseen friends. They're there, they're doing things for us, and we're not even aware of it. And plant viruses are critical. They call these areas, I call them apartments, where they live in, and plant viruses are critical. Not just plant viruses, but plant bacteria are critical in order to reproduce the plants according to necessity.